Hi everyone, I am so excited to see you here. I am so glad that you've stopped by. And I have an unboxing today. I wasn't expecting to have this until the end of the month, but I have my Magic at Your Door box. You got Dude here in his little ice cube. So, let's open it. Let's get the housekeeping out of the way first. A Magic at Your Door subscription box is about $100 a month, $99.99 I think. That does include shipping, I believe. Not sure, I always forget those numbers and have to look them up every month. This is going to be my last box till after we come back from Walt Disney World because I'm sorry, I love my Magic at Your Door box, but I'm saving that money for souvenirs. But it's a really, really great subscription service. There is a lot of discount codes out there for people. I can put a link to a couple other YouTubers who have the discount codes. Go ahead and give them a try. Right now he's shipping them out super fast, obviously, because I just got mine today, and today is the 22nd. Wow, can't believe that. So I've already broken the seal. I do have to admit I am a little spoiled. I've been watching others unbox theirs, and I'm really, really, really hoping for the purple ears. So send me some good karma that the purple ears are in here. On top, as always, is the newsletter. The newsletter has information. It has the color codes. It also, Dude here is in his little ice cube. It's okay. Like we're in Texas. It really hasn't gotten cold. We are full of blue and white and silver sparkles for the confetti. And once again, I didn't bring my trash can. So let's see. Please let the purple ears be in here, please. And what do I see right on top? Oh, the purple ears. Oh, thank you so much, Magic at Your Door. Oh, okay, these have to go on. These will definitely be going with me to Walt Disney World in March. Oops, now I got a curl right in the middle of my forehead. How do those look? How do those look? Does look good? They are definitely my color. Trying to get that curl out of my way. And let's just tuck him underneath here. There we go. Love them, love them, love them. They are, yes, I have been they've been all over Facebook, all over Instagram, and now I have a pair of my own. Yay, thank you. Let's see what else is in the box. So it really doesn't matter at this point. Okay, I'm seeing something right off to the side. Oh, let me give you a close-up of this. This is a postcard. I love things with Walt in them. One of my favorite pins has Walt in it. I should show you my pins, but that's more videos. That is just has the castle, and he must be standing on the ground before it was developed. That is actually beautiful. It says on the back, vision. It's kind of fun to do the impossible, Walt Disney. Oh, that's definitely frameable. Love that. Okay, let's see what else is in here. This is one of the things I saw in the Facebook group, and I said, oh Mike, I have to have that. My dog's name is Disney. It is a Star Wars dog collar. And that is probably Disney, or actually that's probably Mac. I don't know what my neighbor is doing, but he's irritating the dogs. It has C-3PO and R2-D2 on it. Whoops, I'm not in very good light here. I'll have to give you a close-up of that. I'll do a photo. Just love that. Disney's gonna love that. She likes to be dressed fashionably, you know. Okay, 1 second. I'm gonna get a trash can. Okay, instead of a trash can, I'm just going to put the confetti in this box so I can reuse it later. Okay. Let's see what else is in here. I'm perfectly happy with the 3 things I already got. Yeah, couldn't be happier. How do they get so much packing confetti into these boxes? I see 2 more things here at the bottom. The silver pouch we will leave for last. It's my girl! Oh, Magic at your door. Oh, wow! Best box ever, and I'm not finished opening it yet. Tinkerbell, and it's a Daniel Nicole, and it's a Tinkerbell. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, I'm gonna gush. How perfect is this to go into, you absolutely know this is gonna be going with me into the parks in March. Oh my goodness, I adore this. I absolutely adore, and I'm gushing and it's not even purple. I want you all to know. Tinkerbell. Thank you so much. And I still have the, wow. Okay, I'll stop. I'm setting that right there so I can keep it in sight. Okay. And these are, in the silver pouch is Fantasy Football. Melissa, I'm just so overwhelmed by my Tinkerbell purse that I can't even speak. What does that say about me? Maleficent Collector Pin Pack. Well, let's open it up and see what's in here, shall we? I have not done many videos. I think the only videos I've ever done of pin unboxings is mystery packs I get in these boxes. I have a substantial pin collection. Dun, dun, dun. I just haven't shared it with you all. It's on my to-do list, so. Okay, let's see what we get here. I'm gonna get up close to the camera. Whoops, drop my Tinkerbell purse, okay. Wallet, I think it's actually a wallet, but you know, it's going with me. Okay, so let's see what we get here. You know, my lighting just is horrible. Let me bring the camera just a little bit closer. Okay, let's see if that works. This is the Rafter Bear. Can you see that? I'm so overwhelmed by the purse. I don't know what I'm doing right now. You'll just have to excuse me. Let's see what this one is. This is Sully. How cute is that? I am not a big Monsters Inc. fan, but he's too cute. Okay. And I have all these in my hands, but I really can't see them. What is this? Trying to identify by the viewfinder. And Trader Sam. Oh, my husband and I stayed at the Shades of Green, and we kept walking through the Polynesian, but we never actually went in, so next time we have to go in. Okay, 2 more. I am not sure what that's. It's tiki, but it says dye something. I'll have to do some research on that. I like it. It's very Polynesian, but I don't know what it is. Okay. Oops, and I looked at this one before I showed it to my husband's going to love this one. The Abominable Snowman. Our team did not make it to the playoffs being here in Texas. No, we are not Cowboy fans. My husband is a diehard Houston, Texan fan. I don't do football. Anyways. Wow, what a wonderful box. I got the purple ears. I am so happy with Tinkerbell. And I believe that, I don't know, you can use it to carry over, but I believe somehow the strap may come off, so you could just use it as a wallet. Oh, this was perfect. And the postcard, and wow, thank you so much, Magic at Your Door. I will leave a link below. Let me really quickly total everything up and see what the price was. Okay, I just rounded up the numbers because I don't deal in 99 cents. I just rounded up to $1. And before my beautiful postcard, the retail was at $124. Wow. Wow. You know, I can pick 2 favorite items out of this whole box. And my purple ears, and my Tinkerbell. I'm blown away. This has to be my most favorite box. Thank you so much, Magic at Your Door. If you've liked this video, please consider joining my Disney family. Hit that subscribe button down below. We have lots of good unboxings, though this will probably be one of the last unboxings until we actually return from Disney World. We have craft videos and all sorts of wonderful, everything is Disney related. Well, almost everything. Once in a while we'll throw something Harry Potter in there. I hope that you have, I see my little curl came back. I hope you have a wonderful week. Go out there and do something great and have a magical day. Bye.